Want to open up a Zeidler compact door station for repairs or maintenance? It's easy with the compact assembly key. See for yourself. Insert the assembly key from below into the special screw provided. Turn the special screw anti-clockwise until the screw extends out of the socket. Now remove the upper part from the bottom plate and pull it off in an upwards direction. The door station has now been opened up. To close the door station, hang the upper part at the top of the bottom plate and also insert it into the lower half of the bottom plate until it sits firm. Now, retighten the special screw using the assembly key. The compact door station is now locked again. Done.